Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an opening curtain animation in After Effects. It's very easy. Let's get started. First I'm going to make a new composition and I'll call it curtain comp. Make it full HD, 10 seconds, hit OK. Then I need to add a solid layer, so I'll go to Layer, New, Solid, and I'll call it Curtain. Now this layer needs to be gray. So to get 50% gray, you can just go in here and type 818181. Then hit OK. Now go to Effect, Noise and Grain, Fractal Noise. Set fractal type to small bumps. Now open Transform, turn off Uniform Scaling. Make scale width 50 and scale height 1500. And complexity 2. Now I'll go to evolution and I'll add first keyframe, then I'll go to last frame and I will make it 2, and that's it. Perfect. Now I'll pre-compose this and I will call it curtain comp 2. Okay, next thing we need to add some displacement to this to make it look 3D. So go to Effect and we will choose Displacement Map. Now set max horizontal displacement to 0 and max vertical displacement to -40. Then change green to luminance. Perfect. That's it. Yes. And now let's change the color. So I'll go to Effect, Color Correction, and I'll choose Colorama. Now open Output Cycle section, and I'll need just 3 colors. Okay? And now choose your colors. Okay, I'll choose dark red and the second one also red, and the third I'll take this and yes, maybe I need to be more dark. Again. Yes, I think it's look good. Okay. Now we will go to Effect and Bezier Warp. Yes. Okay, now press P and increase position like this. And now we will open Effect Bezier World here. Okay, now go to 1 second and set keyframe like this. Okay, move forward and move these points like this. Okay, this one and this off this point. Yes, and let's see what's going on. I'll make it third to see. Okay, again. Okay, again I'll go to this point and I'll move it, and this also, this like, yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. I need to make this again to be more realistic. Yes. Okay, I'll move forward again and change these points like this. Okay, yes. Yes, like this. Yeah. Okay, now Control C to copy and make it 3D. Then press R and rotate it. Yes. Then go to P, press P and increase the other curtain like this. Yes. Yes, and here we go. Yes. Yes. I think it looks good. Last thing I need to do. Okay, I need to go to Bezier and make it all of this point to easy ease. Okay. Yes. Yes, like this. Okay, now I finished my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.